Welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA for a couple of months enjoying summer. You know, I live in Buffalo, and guess what? We don't get summer that long. In addition to just enjoying the summer and engaging in a lot of self care, I have not been on YouTube, but I have definitely been inside of my Patreon community, which used to be named Swell the Community, but now it is the Social Work Mogul community, and we are over there having fun and learning lots of things. Now, just to give you some information on what's going on my channel, I am switching up how I do things on my channel. And so I'm giving away everything for free on this channel. And when I say giving away everything for free, I am going to show social workers on this channel how to start their digital business. And so we're going to talk about market research. We're going to talk about all the components of a digital online business. We're going to talk about what you need to do first, what you need to do next, how you can do all of these things for free or very low cost. The work that you need to put in, we're going to discuss that. And then we are going to go all the way to the point of creating your very first digital product that you can sell to your community. And so I'm going to do all of these trainings for free right here on YouTube. Excuse me, my computer keeps making these strange noises. Because I'm using my podcast mic, you shouldn't be able to hear it, but you never know. Um, but I'm doing all of that on this channel, right? For free. And so you can take down notes when I do these videos. If you take down notes and you write down the steps and you do all of the things, you will be able to implement these things. And once you complete all of these trainings that I'm going to give you right here on YouTube, you should be able to sell your first digital product. Okay. And so I'm very excited about this. Now, you don't have to write down the notes if you don't want to. All of the notes for these videos will be inside of the Patreon community, and I've linked to that community below in the description box. So join me as I give you all of this information that is going to help you go from completely not understanding what the heck is going on when people talk about starting a digital online business to being able to sell your first digital product. Now, I'm going to put this on a playlist entitled How to Start Your Digital Online Business. There will be steps 1 through however many steps it takes to get you guys there to the finish line. And so check it out on the playlist. Wait for more videos. They are coming. And join me in the Patreon community if you like access to the notes and a bunch of other things you can get potential access to help you along on this journey. Until next time, this is your girl Michelle saying, stop waiting. The time is now. Start your social work digital online business. Bye for now.